So we're at a spare warehouse where the car pawn guys keep their cars. As you can see, obviously they've got their Miata here. It's the endurance racing car. I think they do quite a few races in this. Now they've got a hell of a lot of other cool as fuck shit. Miata's pretty cool. You guys have seen it. That's essentially Kev's company car, because I think he just dailies it. This Merc is super sick, but let me just show you guys this. Boom, right hand drive R34 Skyline Godzilla. Let me just see. In black? Yes, black. OE fully stock. Super clean inside. Obviously it's kind of, look at that, look how clean it is. Manual, of course, stock wheels, stock everything. We have a CR1 vet over here, of course. That's sick. You guys will know what this is. Black Mamba. So sick. This is so sick. This is all dry carbon. So, and I'm not sure you guys can quite understand how wide this is. It's ridiculous that the dish alone on this, I mean, let me put it in a way you guys understand. So that's an iPhone. That's how big that is. The front isn't much smaller. E34, now that's rare here in the Philippines. Anything realistically BMW related is rare here, but an E34 wagon is the only one I've seen. The only wagon I've seen here. STI, obviously Subaru, Subi. That's actually for sale right now, so if anybody's interested, give the guys at Carpool Racing a shout. Then you got this old Dodge, is that Dodge? Yeah, Dodge Charger, yeah, sick. The guys here just absolutely killing it. With this is their storage facility, you gotta bear in mind. This isn't like their main shop. Yes, and I just seen something that I'm really interested about. This is Noah. So RWB Noah, if you guys know these guys, well, Angie has got two RWBs. Noah is amazing. I prefer Victoria because it's purple and it's an LS. But that's Noah right there, looking sick. Black Cat Escalade, 4Runner. But yes, this is what I'm talking about. Look at this Z. Boom, look at this. So that's a C-car, mint, big wing in the Philippines, what's the matter? This is a OG, old school project that the guys here had, fully caged, as you can see, ridiculously wide. This here is absolutely unreal, super clean, 350. Fire. They got some other bits here, probably best I don't show. However, this, if you guys saw on their live feed, Andrew opened the Radical. This is what it came with. Eleanor over here. So another Eleanor over there. Tires for days. Damn. TE's on everything. Absolutely everything. This is my jam. What size are they? 265, 35, 18. I might as well put those in my bag right now because, well, they're so sick. But yeah, guys, so another E34 here. 535. E34, manual 535, E34. This is rare. These guys know, well, Angie definitely knows their cars, but you guys see a car porn racing, absolutely kill it. Collection sick. All you Honda boys, so yeah, I think, what's that, a TVR? I think that's a TVR, I don't know, I don't actually know, but this is it. This Nissan Patrol is a little bit of me, a lot of me. This is amazing. Anybody that's been here to the Philippines will understand the solidness and size of these bull bars, the tires. This is perfect. Look at that. Jesus. And just so you guys can get extra salty, yep, mint 964. Auto, but not a problem because that's an easy swap. Carrera 2. So when you guys are ready to get salty, this is a Ute. So R34 Ute is there on there. LS, of course it's an LS. Everything here is an LS. I'm gonna steal an LS. I'm just trying to work out how I can fit the LS in my hand luggage. I'm sure the guys here won't mind helping me put an LS in my hand luggage. But yeah guys, this is the spare unit for Car Porn Racing Manila. If you guys need anything, obviously tune in over here, give the guys a shout. Like I said, this STI Subarus for sale, it's sick. Someone come and buy it. But yeah.